This day back when we value teens. Here's our welding shop. We provide MIG welders, metal in free ground, MIG, and we have two arc welders. Put a rod in here and teach kids how to weld. They weld the gravity racers together, things that we race down the street. They will even weld on projects. They start with just a flat piece of iron and they start welding a bead. They start to learn how to make the arc and how to run a nice, straight, steady bead so the weld is strong and good. We always do the drop test. We drop it on the concrete ground, and if it breaks, well, they learn that maybe looked good, but it wasn't a solid weld. And so we want young people to learn how to work with their hands, at least those who are want to do that. Um, we have a press. We press out bearings. We work with mechanical things. We do brake jobs. And so our young people are able to learn real life skills. And some of them have found they love working with their hands. They love learning more about tooling and they love the process of creating something, putting it together, and then enjoying it later on. That's just one of the many things. We have lathes in here, we have milling machines. We teach kids how just to hook up your basic outlet, your basic light switch, and they actually do that. And then we turn the switch and it works, hopefully. But we watch them through the whole process and we make sure that they're safe. All of that we do is so that young people realize we are here for their entire investment in their entire life so that they have the best opportunity to move forward in their life, at least with some skills if they want it, at least with an understanding of how things work mechanically. We've taken apart a small gas engine for an ATV, all-terrain vehicle, and we put it back together. We added a new piston, and we ground the valves, and we made everything work together. And we pulled that thing back together, and she started right it up, and the teens got to drive it. We took them on a retreat, and they got to drive it all day long, and it worked for us. And so it's not just learning how to do stuff. It's also learning enjoying what you do, playing with the stuff that you've created and going from there. And so we want to teach kids practical skills, not just, hey, how to play pool or how to this, but how to work with their hands and think with their mind. Thanks for watching us. I hope to see you in the next video.